Hello fellow travelers, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we are diving into a travel tech topic that can make booking your next vacation a breeze using Klarna on booking.com. But before we dive into all of it, if you are new here to our channel, do not forget to hit that subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss of any of our travel tech guides. But before we can move over, you might want to go here, okay, to booking.com. You have two options to do this. One is you can open the booking.com app on your mobile device or head over to booking.com. Right now I am using Google Chrome, but if you're using Safari, Microsoft Edge, Firefox, Brave, it's okay. So you might want to go pick your dream destination, be it a hotel, a travel. Right now, I'm hovering to Hilton Garden in New York, Central Park, all right? So for example, this is what you've decided to stay into. It'll load a little bit, all right? So basically, all you gotta do is hover down to the reserve option here, and you will see the payment options of a Klarna app. All right, that's it. You just have to book a room, confirm all the details, go to the payout or reservation section, and then you will see the options of the Klarna app. All right, that's it. That's how you do it. It's easy, really. But if you are lost in the navigation process, you might want to go here. All right, to a helpful guide here for online payments using the Klarna app. All right. So here you can see that the on the payment section or in the payment method, you can see the Klarna app here, right? That's it. If after booking the entire information, you might want to hover to the last option here on the Klarna app. All right, just gonna go here for the solution, or you can also go to Klarna.com and check the partnered stays where you can get discounts. They have partners, and then just go and check if that suits your budget and your needs. Thank you for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.